Good night, cast the joystick. My name is Luz Miriam Vargas Melo. Activity 2 Logistic Fundamentals Business Administration, September 2019. Identify the nature of the car in the case. Carbon is the type of the solid bulk car. Width is the set of the production that are transporting in large quantities. Identify the income terms used by the company and explain them. You must base of the latest income terms apply to 2017. Income terms are the terms is the international commerce to define the obligation and the responsibilities assumed by the buyer and the seller of the product. It depends on the delivery of the production and the play and the what indicates that is not very beneficial for the company in case of loss or the delay in the delivery of the production. In contrast, is if cost friend and the insurance, they IP encounters the life of the place. Identify and describe the documents used in the DFE, the same which is the most important and the weak. The international cycle distribution is the count. B is a crown. D if E is the holistic process that the develop around place of the product in the international market. Types: commercial invoice, packing list, bill of the lien, RGIT, bearing later, OTM, bearing later, insurance policy, certified origin, export license. From my personal point of the documents, the most important are commercial invoice, packing list, will of the link, insurance police, certificate of the origin, export list. Base of the PDF model 1 display the containers and the pallets used in logistic process. Containers are car plan that allow the goods to be served for transporting both in the trucks, trains, and the ships, thus allowing intermodal transport. They have different size: 20, 40, 40, height of the cube. Types: dry containers, refrigerated containers, open top, flat rack, open side, and tank container. Pallets: the pallet or stonker is a horizontal platform of the defense structure the market use of the minimum heavy componently with material has been equipped. 14 dockers used as basin for assembly, the storing, clean, and the stripper of goods and loads and tie holes to manipulate and store in the single moment several light megalopi hub of the objects. Types: for your destiny for name sticks for this top deck according to manipulation. Good night. Thank you.